The path of a softball is modeled by the equation x squared minus 12.5x plus 12.5y minus 50 equals 0, with x equals 0 corresponding to the position from which the ball is thrown. Determine the highest point of the softball thrown. The equation modeled by the path of the softball is parabolic in shape, and the highest point of the softball thrown is represented by the vertex of the parabola. To determine the vertex, transform the given equation to standard form of equation of the parabola. So we try to have the given x squared minus 12.5x plus 12.5y minus 50 equals 0. Since we are talking about parabola, we need to separate the x variable and the y variable. We have the x squared minus 12.5x and the other terms or variable and constant will be transposed on the right side. So 12.5y becomes negative 12.5y and negative 50 becomes positive 50. Next, since the given is in general form, we need to make it into standard form. To do that, we need to complete the square. So, plus blank. So, in here na naman siya 39.0625. But how did we come up with that one? So, since we are completing the square, we need to have the square of a binomial. So, since the variable here is x, so copy x, and then get the half of the second term. So, negative 12.5 divided 2 is negative 6.25. Then you get the squared, that is 39, positive 39.0625. And what you added on the left side will be added on the right side, Monisia. It will become 89.0625. And then on the right side, we need also to factor. So negative 12.5, then times y, then 89.0625 divided negative 12.5 is negative 7.12496, because if you multiply negative 12.5 and negative 7.12496, the result is positive 89.0625. Are we done? Yes, it is already in standard form. Now, we are going to determine the highest point through the vertex of the parabola, which is negative 6.25 mana. It will become positive 6.25. The same with negative 7.12496, it will become positive 7.12496. Therefore, the vertex is 6.25, 7.12496. And then, therefore, the height of the softball y coordinate of the vertex, hence the highest point of the softball thrown, is 7.496 units, because 6.25 is lesser than 7.12496. Ang atong ipangita is the highest point. That is why we choose the y coordinate, which is 7.12496.